Good morning, everyone. So, we are going to see chapter number third, how the state government works. This chapter belongs from polity. So, directly I have selected this, and we can see over here in this chapter that how Gujarat government, or the Gujarat is a state, and the other government, those are government of state work, how they work, what makes them to be a part of government. So here is some conversation that, hey, look at this, it says that there is a water storage in our state and people are falling sick. So one lady says to another lady that here is a water storage, but people are getting sick. In many villages, people were found to be drinking unclean water. Streams have dried up, and so have tanks. In the worst affected areas, villages have been carrying water across great distance. So here we find that a lot of diseases from these kind of area, from where water are supplied to the people of society, almost these are water almost dirty, and these waters causes a lot of trouble in day-to-day life for those people who drink it. People at the district HQ Patalpuram receive water supply once in 3 days. The district hospital here is overflowing with patients, a large number of whom are children with acute diarrhea. So guys, please do read this conversation, and let's talk about how the state government works. Every state in India has a legislative assembly. Guys, legislative assembly situated for our Gujarat in Gandhinagar, which is Vittal Bhai Patel Bhavan. Okay, in sector number I think 24, where 182 legislative members, those who were elected by we people in elections. For example, look at the map below. It shows that the state of Himachal Pradesh is divided into 68 assembly constituencies. From each constituency, the people elect one representative who then becomes a member of legislative assembly, means MLA. The person whom we call MLA, it is he. Okay, how do people who are MLAs become minister or chief minister? A political party whose MLAs have won more than half a number of constituency in a state can be said to be in majority. So guys, what happened that once you are elected and your party is elected, it simply means that you are having a majority, so that your work is last credited with others, so you win that battle. So here in Himachal Pradesh 68 MLAs, in our Gujarat 182. Okay, Bharatiya Janata Party, we all love it, but we are dissatisfied the work at the present time they are performing. I don't know, some of you like or don't like. Candidates from various political parties won the 2017 assembly election and become MLAs, since the total number of MLAs in the legislative assembly in 68. From BJP 34 and from Janata Party 48 MLAs. Okay, guys, from INC Congress. So, after this election, the MLA belonging to the ruling party will elect their leader who will become the chief minister. In this case, the BJP MLAs chose Sri Jairam Thakur as their leader and he became the chief minister. So Jairam becomes the chief minister. These all people elected from another different region, and then they become a MLA, and then these people select one chief minister. A debate in the Legislative Assembly. So Afreen, Sujata and many other students from their school traveled to the state capital to visit the Legislative Assembly, which was housed in an impressive building. The children were excited. After security checks, they were taken upstairs. There was a gallery from where they could see the large hall below. There were rows and rows of desks. This assembly was going to have a debate on a current problem. During this time, MLA can express their opinions and ask questions related to the issue or give suggestion about what should be done by the government. So in an assembly there are many MLAs. They suggest member of parliament member of parliament is MP. Okay, here we have to deal with MLAs. So MLAs, those are elected from one region, like in our Navsari we have Piyush Desai, and over here we have RC Patel, right? So the chief minister and other minister have to take decision and run the government. Then they people run the government after taking the decision that what should be the actual thing for the people of our society. But in actual way, you can think that really they do care about us, and the answer is obvious that maybe they care about us, but sometimes they may not. So this is the weak thing we observe many times. In many constitution of Akhand Gaon, during the last 3 weeks, there were 50 deaths because of diarrhea. I think it is it is shame that this government has not been able to check the situation of a simple problem like diarrhea while proclaiming itself to be champion of technology. So MLA 1 says that there is a diarrhea case in Akhand Gaon, Akhada Gaon, and these people can't take the responsibility of one village. So how these people will take the responsibility of other, and they claiming that we have a great technology and all, still they are miscontinued by some other people. My question is, why are government hospitals in such a bad situations? So we can see that in our Gujarat it is quite not possible, but in other states it is possible that the government situation of the government hospital situation is very worse. Third, MLA, my constituency of Tolpatti to has serious shortage of water. Women travel up to 3 or 4 kilometers to collect water. So guys, the third MLA says that the problem of my my area is about water. Fourth MLA, I think my colleagues are exaggerating the problem. The government has taken steps to control the situation. Water tankers have been put into service. ORS packets are being distributed. So fourth MLA is saying to everyone that no, 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 we are doing our best. It simply does not mean that what we are doing, it simply does not mean that what we are running for. You are just overthinking about it. But in actual way, guys, it is the thing where we can say that these people are unable to perform. We have a very poor facilities in our hospitals. There are hospitals that do not have a doctor and no medical staff has been appointed for the last few years. In another hospital, the doctor has gone on a long leave. This is a shame. Sixth MLA, the opposition members are unnecessarily blaming the government. So guys, these are the MLAs. Okay. So, working of the government. The Legislative Assembly is not the only place where opinions are expressed about the work of the government and action is demanded. You will find newspapers, TV channels, and other organizations regularly talking about the government in the democracy. There are various ways through which people express their views and also take actions. Let us look at one such way. So guys, it is not all about that each and every time we can each and every time the Legislative Assembly is not only place where opinions are expressed. So only in Legislative Assembly it is not possible that every opinions are there. On a TV channel and on a other media platform, we have such things which we can find. Soon after the discussion in the assembly, there was a press conference organized by the health minister. Large number of people from different newspapers were present. The minister and some government officials were also present. The minister explained the steps the government had taken. Reporters asked many questions at this meeting. These discussions were then reported in different newspapers. So whatever the discussion happens in assembly or in government assembly, this will be reported in a newspaper, and guys, this thing will be appear in our day-to-day newspaper. So how this works, guys? The things which I left, it is easy and it is reconnection of whatever is there. I already explained. So don't think that I leave this particular paragraph. It's not mean that I leave it. It simply means that there is thing which I already explained. Okay, the government can also decide to make new laws for the state regarding sanitization and health facilities. For example, it may make it compulsory for municipal corporation to ensure that there are adequate toilets in every urban area. It may also ensure that a health worker is appointed in every village. This act of making laws on certain issues is done in the legislative assembly of each state. The various government departments then implement these laws. Laws for the entire country are made in the parliament. You will read more about the parliament next year. So, once in a week, the various government departments then implement these laws. So, those MLAs also form the laws. Okay, these laws we will follow, and after follow these kind of laws, we have to take charge those who will not follow. So, we people, if we don't follow these rules, then we will be charged. Okay, guys. In a democracy, it is the people who elect their representative as a member of the legislative assembly, is MLA, and thus it is the people who have the main authority. So, guys, this people is having a great authority in their hands, so they can do whatever is unnecessary. Sometimes they can do what is necessary, but they are rich men, so they never understood the problems of the poor people. And we can see these things in everyday life, like school, education, public works department, and all. So, wallpaper projection, these all are the wallpaper projection. Do it by yourself. So, guys, hope you understand the lecture. We will move over to the next chapter, which is about women change the world. And before that, growing up as a boys and girls. Okay, guys, in a polity we have completed on equality. Okay, guys, stay tuned with Esther Global School.